Hi guys, if your Android phone is running slow or missing new features, updating it can fix a lot of issues. In this video, I'll show you a simple way to check for updates and install the latest Android version on your device. So let's go ahead and start the tutorial right now. Go to the Settings menu. This is where you'll find all the important system controls. Once you're inside Settings, look for the search icon, magnifying glass, at the top of the screen and tap on it. In the search bar, type Software Update. On some devices, it may also appear as System Update. Tap on the correct result to open the update section. Now, you'll see an option like Download and Install or Check for Updates. Tap on it. Your phone will start checking if a new update is available. If an update is found, simply follow the on-screen instructions to begin downloading and installing it. Make sure your device is connected to Wi-Fi and has enough battery or is plugged in, as updates can take some time to complete. Your phone may restart during the process, which is completely normal. Once the update is finished, your device will boot up with the latest Android version. For example, I've already updated mine to Android 16 with One UI 8 and it's running smoothly. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and stay tuned for more simple and useful tech tips. See you in the next one.